So chapter 6.4, in this example, we are given these functions and these graphs, and we're asked to match them based on which graph represents which function. So they're all logarithmic functions with no horizontal or vertical translations, but the bases are going to be different. So in general, for logarithmic functions, we know that the bigger the base, the closer it's going to be to the y-axis. And it's also going to grow slower. So for example, this purple line here is growing much slower than the blue line above here. So we can take a look at the bases of these equations to solve this problem. We have f of x equals log of x, which we know that just implies that the base is 10. So let's write a 10 over here. So base 10. And then we have ln of x, which is basically log base e, which is about 2.718 and so on. And then we have log of 2, so this is our base given to us 2, and then base 5, and then base 25 given to us here. So then from here, we just look at the graph. Since they're all pretty spaced apart, we can tell which one's going to be the closest to the y-axis and which one's going to be the farthest. We can also see above the x-axis where each one grows at a different rate as well. So we have this first line, this blue line here, and it's going to have the smallest base because it's the farthest away from the y-axis. And if we look at our equations, we have log of 2 is going to be our smallest base. So this one's going to be blue. And then the one next to it, which is this red, is going to be the next biggest, which is going to be 2.7. So g of x, ln of x, is given to us in red. Then we have orange, which is the next one. So 5 is the next biggest. So this one's going to be orange. And then we have green. And then the last one, the closest to the y-axis and also the slowest growing one out of all of these, is going to be log base 25, which is given to us in purple. And that's your answer.